Hello everyone and welcome back to Storytime with Gemma. Today we'll be reading Say and Play Oink Moo Meow. The pig says oink oink. The cow says moo. The cat says meow meow. The dog says woof woof. The donkey says, ee-haw, ee-haw, ee-haw. The chick says, chip, 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 chip. The duck says, quack, quack. The orangutan say, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. The owl say, oot, oot, oot. The frog says, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. The goat says, meh, meh. The rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo. The bear says, ooh. The lion says, roar. The chicken says, cluck, cluck, cluck. The wolf pup says, oh. The horse says, neigh, neigh. The goose says, unk, unk, unk. The turtle says, gobble, gobble. The turkey says, gobble, gobble. The lamb says, ba, ba. The dove says, cuckoo. The elephant says, boo. The hamster says, eek, eek. The grasshopper says, chirp, chirp, chirp. The canary says, tweet, tweet. The sea lion says, urt, urt, urt. The end. Thanks for tuning in to Storytime with Gemma. See you next time.